Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton wallet. You can easily do this by opening up your Telegram application. So make sure you have an account on Telegram. Once you've set up a Telegram account, all you need to do now is where we have Hamster Kombat or the search icon, simply search for Hamster Kombat. Click on Hamster Kombat and simply click on play in one click. You're going to need a link to get the Hamster Kombat registered or to get the Hamster Kombat bot. You can simply find that link in the description of the video. Now click on the play icon at the bottom left and the Hamster Kombat application is going to be launched. So once it opens up, the airdrop icon at the bottom right, click on the airdrop icon and simply click on connect your Ton wallet. So click on connect your Ton wallet and click on connect again, and then you're met with a list of options to connect your wallet. I'm going to be clicking on Ton Keeper since that's my Ton wallet, and it's going to lead me to this link here where Hamster Kombat requests the connection. So simply click on connect, scan your fingerprint or face ID. Once it's done, boom, wallet connected. So guys, that's how you can easily connect your Ton wallet to Hamster Kombat. Do comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.